Welcome to my video. If you want to know how to make a door like this, then you're in the right place. I'll teach you how to make a door just like this. So let's jump in. Alright, so now I'm in Roblox Studio. We can begin on the door. So to begin, I have a part here that's going to be my door for the day. You can use a union, you can use a mesh, you can weld parts to this door. Design it however you want. But for today, I'm going to use a part for the tutorial. So before you even begin scripting the door, we have to tell which direction the door is facing. So we have to make sure that the front is actually the front and not the side, or it's gonna open up weirdly. So to do that, you're gonna insert a decal into the door and make sure the decal property, the face property is front. So now you see this little orange outline around the door. This is front. So you know where the front of the door is now. So now you can rotate it however you want. I'm gonna have it facing towards the spawn location, so it's gonna open from this direction from the front. Make sure it's facing the front or it won't work, guys. Now you can delete the decal and you can insert a script and a click detector into the door. So once you're in the script, we're gonna set some variables. So these are all the variables you're gonna need. You're going to assign the door. You're going to need to assign the click detector here. I need two variables for open and debounce. So open just tells the script if the door is opened or closed, and debounce is the cooldown for the door. And we have our imaginary frame, C frame. So what this is it's like an imaginary hinge that the door is going to swing based off. So it doesn't open weirdly, it swings with the hinge. And the last variable would be speed. So this just tells you how fast the door is going to open. This is optional. You can change it to like 0.5 to make it slow, 1 for default, or like 3 for fast. You can change it to whatever you want, honestly. Next would be our function. So this is our click detector function. Just tells you when the player clicks on the door. We have our cooldown. So debounce acts like a cooldown. So if the debounce is on cooldown, then it's gonna not run the function. Okay, so now this just tells us when the door is closed. If the door is closed, then we're gonna open the door, run this loop 90 times. We're gonna run this loop 90 times. Every time it runs, it changes the door degree by 1. So it's gonna run the loop until we're at 90 degrees. And this is just to make sure that it runs smoothly, and if there's any like unequal numbers, this line fixes it. We're gonna do the same thing, but for the closed. So now we're checking if the door is open. If it's open, then we close it, run the same loop, turns the door each degree 90 times, back to its original place, and this is the entire script. So once you're done, you can go play test your door out, and play with it. It works just fine here. If you want to change the door speed, once again, it's this variable. I'm going to change it to 3 to make it really fast. So now it opens really fast, and I'm going to change it to 0.25 to make it open slow. You can change it to wherever you want. This is how you make a door in Roblox Studio. So, see you.